Let's start today's class with a riddle. What am I? I am used all over the world. I was invented in 1879. I will be improved to be more eco-friendly, and you turn me on when it's dark. Pause your video and guess the answer. Do you know what I am? That's right, I'm a light bulb. Look at the sentences again and decide which one is the odd one out. Which one is different? Pause your video and think. Let's see if you were right. The odd one out is the last sentence. You turn me on when it's dark. This is an example of an active sentence. The subject of the sentence is responsible for the action. Who turns on the light bulb when it's dark? You, the subject of the sentence. The other three examples are passive sentences. We use a passive sentence when we don't know or we're not interested in who or what does the action. In these three sentences, it is the action which is important. The fact that light bulbs are used all over the world, that they were invented in 1879, and that they will be improved. We either don't know, or it's not important, who uses them, who invented them, or who will improve them. If we do know who is responsible for an action, or we think that it's important, then we can add the person or the thing using the word by. The light bulb was invented in 1879 by Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison is called the agent, the person responsible for the action. If the agent is not important or specific, then we do not use it. To form the passive, we use the appropriate form of be, either in the present, the past, or the future, plus the past participle. We use the present simple form of be to talk about present facts. We use the past simple form of to be to talk about past facts. And we use will in the passive to talk about facts or actions that we believe will happen in the future. To make a question in the passive, we add an interrogative if necessary, and we invert the subject and the verb to be. Where am I used? I am used all over the world. When was I invented? I was invented in 1879. We need to be careful with questions in the future, as we only invert will and the subject. Be stays with the past participle. Will I be improved? Yes, I will be improved. Think about how you use the passive in your language. Is it the same? Today we've talked about an invention. Can you think of any other examples of when we would use the passive voice?